If you're a DIY mechanic, a car enthusiast, or just want to stay on top of your vehicle's health, then you've probably heard of OBD2 scanners. These handy tools give you real-time diagnostics and help you save big bucks at the mechanic. But finding the right one can be a challenge, especially if you're on a budget. So today, we're counting down the top 5 OBD2 scanners under $500 that give you pro-level performance without breaking the bank. Let's get into it. The fifth product on this list is the Topdon ArtiDiag800 BT scanner. The Topdon ArtiDiag800 BT scanner is a compact and rugged diagnostic tool that comes with a Type-C charging cable and a quick start guide. First impressions, it's lightweight, durable, and ready for action straight out of the box. The ArtiDiag800 BT is far from an ordinary scanner. Here are its standout features. Wireless connectivity. Equipped with Bluetooth 4.0, it pairs effortlessly with Android and iOS devices. No cables, no clutter. Comprehensive diagnostics offering over 28 service functions and compatibility with all OBD2 protocols. It's perfect for reading and clearing trouble codes, monitoring live data, and much more. Wide compatibility supports most vehicles made after 1996. Free updates. Stay up to date with the latest firmware to keep your diagnostics sharp. The Topdon app makes everything incredibly simple. It lets you view live data in graphs or numbers, perform system resets, and even generate detailed diagnostic reports that can be shared directly with your mechanic all from your smartphone. Here are some pros and cons. Pros: wireless convenience, comprehensive diagnostics, affordable price point, user-friendly app. Cons: limited to vehicles post-1996. Advanced features may require some learning for beginners. Overall, the Topdon ArtiDiag800 BT is a reliable, feature-rich OBD2 scanner that offers excellent value for its price. Its combination of wireless convenience, user-friendly app interface, and professional-grade diagnostic capabilities makes it a versatile tool for a wide range of users. The fourth product on this list is the Foxwell Scanner NTA09 Bidirectional Scan Tool. The Foxwell NTA09 Bidirectional Scan Tool, a powerful diagnostic device that packs a punch for both professionals and dyers. The Foxwell NTA09 is designed to take vehicle diagnostics to the next level. It offers bidirectional control, meaning you can not only read and clear codes, but also command components and systems in your car to perform specific actions, perfect for pinpointing issues with precision. The 7-inch touchscreen interface is super user-friendly. The NTA09 supports over 30 service functions, including all reset, EPB, DPF regeneration, and throttle matching. Plus, it covers more than 100 vehicle brands worldwide. Its Wi-Fi connectivity makes updating and sharing data effortless, saving you time and keeping you ready for any challenge. The Foxwell NTA09 provides in-depth diagnostics for critical systems such as ABS, airbags, and transmissions. It's truly a game-changer for anyone serious about car maintenance and repairs. Here are some pros and cons. Pros: durable build, cost-effective, bidirectional control, user-friendly interface, live data streaming. Cons: subscription fees, dependence on an internet connection. So, if you're searching for a powerful, feature-rich diagnostic tool, the Foxwell NTA09 is a smart investment. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or a passionate dyer, this scanner offers exceptional performance at an incredible value. The third product on this list is the Kingbolen K7 OBD2 scanner. The Kingbolen K7 Scanner Bluetooth have a powerful tool for serious car diagnostics. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, this 2024 bidirectional scan tool promises to take your car troubleshooting to the next level. This scanner offers 3 years of free updates, a fantastic perk to keep up with the latest vehicle models and features. The Kingbolen K7 has bidirectional control and ECU coding, giving you advanced functionality that goes beyond basic code reading. With 28 service resets, including all TPMS and brake resets, you're covered for a wide range of maintenance tasks. Setting up the K7 is a breeze. Just plug it into your car's OBD2 port, pair it with Bluetooth, and you're good to go. The large touchscreen interface is intuitive, and the built-in FCA auto-off support means you can even work on Chrysler, Jeep, Dodge, and Fiat vehicles without additional tools. This scanner is compatible with over 10,000 vehicle models worldwide. Here are some pros and cons. Pros: wide compatibility, user-friendly app, Bluetooth convenience, real-time data, full system diagnostics. Cons: limited advanced features, app dependency. Overall, the Kingbolen K7 OBD2 scanner is a solid choice for anyone looking for an affordable, easy-to-use diagnostic tool. Whether you're a dyer who wants to save on mechanic visits or just want to keep an eye on your vehicle's health, this scanner is a great option. The second product on this list is Launch X431 CRP919X OBD2 scanner. The Launch X431 CRP919X is a professional-grade OBD2 scanner packed with features. Designed for modern vehicles, it combines ease of use with powerful diagnostic capabilities. Whether it's checking your engine, ABS, airbag systems, or performing advanced coding functions, this scanner has you covered. Comprehensive system coverage: it can access over 29+ service functions, including all reset, EPB reset, throttle matching, injector coding, and more. Perfect for professionals and dyers alike. Here are some pros and cons. Pros: full system diagnostics, bidirectional control, wireless connectivity, wide vehicle compatibility, extensive service functions. Cons: limited free update period, size and portability. The Launch X431 CRP919X delivers excellent value for those needing professional-grade diagnostic capabilities. Its extensive compatibility and range of features make it a reliable tool for mechanics and serious car enthusiasts. If you want a powerful and future-ready scanner, this one is worth the investment. Finally, the top product on this list is the Autel scanner MaxiCOM MK808S. The Autel MaxiCOM MK808S is a professional-grade diagnostic tool. It's not just powerful, but also user-friendly. The MK808S impresses with its sleek design and large 7-inch touchscreen. Plus, it comes packed with accessories OBD cables. This scanner is powered by Android 11, giving it a super responsive interface and a fast boot-up time. It features 25 service functions, including all reset, EPB, SAS calibration, and more. Perfect for tackling everything from basic maintenance to advanced diagnostics. Connecting is a breeze. Just plug in the cable, and the MK808S automatically communicates with your vehicle. Its OE-level diagnostics can read and clear codes from all available systems, like the engine, transmission, ABS, and SRS. One standout feature is the live data monitoring. It provides real-time readings and graphs, making it easy to identify potential issues. You can even compare data from multiple systems for deeper insights. The MK808S isn't just a diagnostic tool, it's a multifunctional powerhouse. For example, it supports basic IMO functions for key programming and also offers battery health checks to ensure your vehicle is running smoothly. The MK808S handles this with ease. It offers lifetime free updates for 1 year, ensuring compatibility with the latest models and systems. Plus, the built-in remote assistance feature allows Autel experts to help you out in real time. Here are some pros and cons. Pros: comprehensive diagnostics, advanced service functions, user-friendly interface, live data monitoring, auto-VAN technology, regular updates. Cons: wired connection, subscription costs after 1 year. Overall, the Autel MaxiCOM MK808S is a fantastic choice for independent mechanics, small workshops, and car enthusiasts looking for a capable diagnostic tool at a reasonable price. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.